In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to automatically blur the background on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we have it in Premiere Pro. We have our tutorial video, which is this one right here. We'll be blurring the background even more. So to do that automatically is that you just simply need to go into effects. If you can see the effects, then you probably need to check it here under Windows tab, click on effects, make sure it's enabled. And now you want to search for Gaussian blur here in the effects and drag it into your clip. Once it's in here is that you want to click here on the mask button and then just simply mask your subject with just a rough mask right here. You don't need to be very precise. You just need to outline the subject right here. And after this is that you just need to connect this with the beginning point or beginning mask to create a path here in Premiere Pro. So here it is. I'm now going to connect it by clicking here again in the beginning. And now we have the path. We just need to simply go here into the effect controls, into Gaussian blur, and click on this button, track selected mask forward. So click on that and it will now automatically track the other frame or the remaining frames. Just basically make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of the clip that you would want to start blurring your background in. And now when it's done, you should have something like this. You would be able to see the mask would move with every frame automatically. So it's not really that accurate considering that this is just automatic. So you'd have to bear with it. But yeah, you could refine every frame if you'd want to. Like you could edit the mask placing right here if you'd want. So you could edit that, but I think that defeats the purpose of it being automatic. So now once you have your subject tracked by using this mask path track feature, you just simply need to increase the blurriness, let's say 40. And then you'd now be able to see that it's now blurred. And now to make our background blurred instead of the subject, click here on inverted. And you'd now be able to see it's now blurred. And the problem is there are some hard edges. So to solve that, you just simply need to go here into the mask feather and increase the value. And it will now be much smoother. And then when we play it, we will now have this result. So yeah, this is it. I think that is pretty decent for an automatic blurring in the background. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.